Microsoft Edge for Business has just rolled out new data leak control capabilities. And this is a great way to keep your sensitive information safe. What are data leak controls? They help prevent your sensitive info from getting out to the wrong people. Every business handles sensitive data, from financial records to client details. If it leaks, it can mean big trouble, financial loss, legal headaches, and a hit to your reputation. This new feature keeps your data secure by ensuring only authorized people can access it, and it prevents accidental sharing. It uses AI to spot potential threats and unusual data movements, alerting you to a potential leak before it happens. Of course, it integrates smoothly with other Microsoft products like 365 and Teams. We can help you get this set up. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.